Mrs. I live here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a corner tower that is square shaped. So get some skinny cardboard from the box, measure. I'm using math here to find halfway so that I can make two sides out of this one section of the cardboard. So I like to make a dash at the top and the bottom so that I can draw a straight line. I just line up the ruler with my dashes. Then cut it out. So I'm making a bunch of garbage there. You might have seen it. When you trim the cardboard and all of that, you might make some garbage. I'm also going to have all of these little flaps of cardboard left that I need to throw away. People have been leaving trash in the bins at the table. The bins at the table are not garbage cans, okay? So please throw your garbage in the garbage can. Okay, so now I'm going to trace the two that I made. I just really need to trace one so that I can have two for the other side of my corner tower. Okay, while we're talking about things people have been doing, people have also been cutting little bits out of the skinny cardboard and then putting it back. If you only have little bits like these rectangles and squares left behind, those can get thrown away, but like a cereal box that you only cut a little bit out of, you should keep it and see what else you could do with it. So here I am taping the parts that I made together. I'm facing them all the same way. Okay, now I can fold it up to make a tower. Before I do that, I'm going to get my paper. Hopefully you saved your leftover paper from when you did your covering of the box. So I'm just using the height of the paper to decide how high I want my corner tower to be, how tall. So now I can trace my cardboard onto my paper. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is folding the paper by putting it over the top of the cardboard and then folding the cardboard along where I taped it. And I'm just folding the paper back in the other direction just to get it ready to fold. Okay, so it's looking good now. I am going to glue it. Okay, with the glue, I recommend a box around the outside and then an X in the center. And I just did the same on the paper. Okay, so I was gonna tape it and then I noticed that there was some skinny cardboard showing, so I just trimmed that off really quick. And you can lay it flat and put some tape on it. Later, I end up just removing some of the tape that I put on it when I attached it to my box. So you can think about how you're going to attach it to your box before you tape it. Anyways, this is where it's gonna go on my castle. So I'm just putting it in there and making a mark up to where I want to cut the corner tower, I'm cutting slits in the corner tower. So that one was kind of hard to see, but I cut the tape on that side. Okay, so there's my mark that I made, and I'm cutting up to it. And now I have slits on two sides, and my corner tower fits on the corner of my box.